just when you thought the ocean's deadliest predator was extinct. A deep-sea sonar scan detected an unidentified object. Something massive, moving fast and vanishing without a trace. Not a whale, not a submarine. Something bigger than anything we've seen in modern times. Moving faster than any creature ever known. And diving deeper than anything its size should be able to survive. Whatever it was, it came, it vanished, and it left behind one terrifying question. What if it's still out there? This wasn't just theory. In 2003, marine biologists tagged a healthy 9-foot great white shark off the coast of Australia. For days, it swam normally. But then something happened. The shark suddenly plunged over 1,900 feet straight down, at a speed no great white could survive. At that same moment, the temperature around the tracker dropped by nearly 30 degrees in seconds. Then the signal disappeared. After reviewing the data, scientists offered only vague explanations. A possible glitch, a malfunction, but nothing definitive. Not everyone believed it. The tag had worked perfectly until that exact moment. And the movement didn't match any dive or feeding patterns seen in modern great whites. It was too fast, too cold, too sudden. It looked more like an attack, like the shark was dragged down into the abyss by something bigger and much stronger, something we've never seen and haven't seen since. Or so we thought, because now, 20 years later, new sonar anomalies have begun surfacing off coasts around the world. Massive returns, unexplained movement patterns, and once again, the signals vanish without a trace. This time, the data is clearer. This time, the tag didn't fail. In one case, the object moved over 60 knots, faster than anything we know of in the deep. In another, it appeared just 300 feet below a fishing vessel, then disappeared straight down nearly 3,000 feet in under a minute. Military sonar teams, oceanographic institutes, even private vessels, have all reported similar blips. Each time, the same pattern. Sudden appearance, massive size, no explanation. Is it just misreadings or coincidence? What if the ocean's greatest predator never went extinct? What if it's been hiding in the dark, far beneath our reach, and it's starting to surface again? Maybe it never was a glitch. Could a few of these apex creatures have survived extinction and were never gone at all? Not a coincidence, not a misreading, but a real living monster, finally seen again. What if the glitches we've been seeing aren't glitches at all? What if they're actual sonar images of something we thought was extinct? A predator, too big to believe, too fast to track, and no longer alone. Because if even a few survived, they could multiply. And if that's the case, our oceans are about to change. Forever. Imagine a carcass so massive, it takes a crane to lift. A creature that could swallow a small boat in one bite. A fully grown Megalodon was believed to reach over 60 feet long, longer than a school bus. One tooth, the size of a human hand. Its jaws, big enough to crush a small car. Estimated bite force, over 40,000 pounds. Enough to snap a whale spine like a toothpick. And they didn't just hunt, they consumed up to 2,500 pounds of meat a day. Now imagine not just one, but a breeding population. In today's waters, around today's swimmers. What would that mean for modern ocean life, or for us? Maybe the scariest question isn't, what if it's real? It's what if it never went away?